Oh yeah, we are killing the game. Let's just not kill that dude on the wakeboard.
Try not to.
That's good.
He's got headphones on. Do you think he's jamming out?
Plus he's got headphones on.
Oh, that's a shame. You can't see. What's up, dude? Hey.
20 degrees to port. I feel it. Look at that. Our telltale is tailing.
A little bit.
Okay.
Oh, now don't go on.
What is this rope called?
You know, I always forget.
Actually, no, that would be the port jib rope.
Yes.
Okay.
That's a good name for it.
I have the starboard jib rope.
I mean, everything on the boat has like a really exact name. Even the little feet on the bottom of the sail.
Doing well, Skipper. If
Yeah,
you
that
can,
one I did right.
if you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball.
You can dodge a wrench.
We're totally winning.
Oh, check it, check it. They just tacked.
25 MIT.
Noobs.
Two can put the back right.
Now we're moving!
Stretch your legs out. Put them under this. This will keep you in the boat. Okay. I'm going to grab the main rope in your left hand. Okay. Keep the tiller wherever it's comfortable. So that when you put a little flip knotting, you keep it straight. And that's the basic positioning. Okay. So the rest of it is all about ease, hike, trim.
Oh gosh.
So you have to keep an eye on where the wind is. Right now the wind is coming from over there. So basically, as long as you're not pointed directly into the wind, you're okay.
Okay.
And then you do the same thing with the mainsail that you did with the jib. And just adjust it until the streamer starts to stream and it's a little poofy like that.
A little poofy like that is the scientific term?
Poofy is a pretty
It's
scientific
got a
term.
little air. Isn't that more we're tipping a little, so what do you want to do?
Let it out.
Okay, yeah. Woo! There you got it.
Look at Crystal. Woo! What do you think, Crystal? How does it feel to tell the till? Or
Feels like a gold medal.
a gold medal? Okay.
Feels like I might die.
I'm not gonna die.
It's nice.
Ugh, look at the drink. Oh yeah, sailing the sails. 25.
25, stay alive.
Woo! Woo! How did that feel?
So much fun.
Alright,
Sailing.
so it's 6:25. We should probably start heading back.
Good
towards
idea.
dock.
Good idea.
This part I'm going to take over.
Good
and
idea. Back Bay. It's so beautiful.
Why don't you have the honor of the final tack of the day?
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay, ready?
Let's do some tacking.
Remember,
Just pull the
make the triangle with the tiller again. with the apex going towards the sail. Yeah, just like that. The main is looking.
Here we go.
Watch your head.
We are tacking.
Tacking!
We're gonna switch sides. Alright.
Oh, check that out.
Oh my gosh, this is stuck.
Uh-oh. We're tacking the other way.
Sorry, it was stuck. We're good.
We're all good?
I don't know.
Okay. We're all good according to Crystal.
Alright, so you gotta, the boathouse is back over there, so we gotta turn around.
Oh, I mean, we're not
Try
just
it again. Again, put it
Good.
there. Now, over.
Good.
Holy crap.
We're good. We're good.
We're good. Everything's fine.
Alright.
Okay. Good.
Stop it.
Alright. One more try because we're still going.
Going right to the shore.
So tacking it?
Yeah, towards the sail. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yep, walk her over. Side. Keep going. Alright.
Okay.
Now do it one more time, and that's going to point the boat over there.
Again?
Yep. A little bit more. This way.
This way. Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Now you got it.
Now we're just gonna.
Slash Drew is now steering the boat.
It's okay. It's okay. So you're gonna do is point this.
Yeah, very slightly,
There you
because
go.
what you're doing now is a dive, and this
Perfect.
thing is going to...
Perfect.
Alright,
Okay.
great.
Here we go. Look at that. That was a little exciting.
Woo!
We got that all on video.
Woo!
You're gonna win
Watch your
gold.
head.
What did you think about that?
I think that my days sailing are probably numbered.
Oh, come on, Skipper.
I definitely deserve an ice cream after this.
Yeah, you earned it for that.
Woo!
Go 25!
Look at that. All on her own.
Not at all on my own.